This is the first time I have come to Parul University, and I had heard a lot about it, but I didn't know that it's such a marvelous university. And I think it's the quality of students which makes any university good or bad. And generally speaking, I found it extremely professional and very globally in terms of feel and the vibe. It's like any other international university, so I'm very proud that India is doing so well in the discipline of education.
उल्टी बहती धार है बैरी धार है बैरी के अब कुछ कर जा रे बंदी.
I really loved the questions asked by the student. It was something very different. Great zeal among all the students. I would like to applaud authorities the way they have made this huge, humongous university.
Hi, this is Ken Fons, and I was intrigued the very instance I walked through the entire premises. Surrounded by art, installations, so many enthusiasts. I mean, it blew my mind, and that's what I love.
कर ले तैयारी उड़ जा बन के धूप का पंछी छुड़ा के गहरी छाँव अंधेरी छाँव अंधेरी रख देगा झकझोर के तुझे तूफानों का घोर है डेरा घोर है डेरा और से डर जो हार मान ले काहे का फिर जोर है तेरा जोर है तेरा जोर है तेरा है दिल में रोशनी तेरे चीर डाल सब घेरे लहरों की गर्दन कसके हाल फंदे कि दरिया बोले बहार पंथी सर आंखों पे नाव है तेरी नाव है तेरी चढ़ती लहरें रंग न पाए भापती सी नाव है तेरी नाव है तेरी उल्टी बहती धार है बैरी धार है बैरी उल्टी बहती धार है बैरी धार है बैरी के अब कुछ कर जा रे बंदी.